Out of all the vehicles I've owned in my lifetime, of which I've owned several, there is one automotive occasion that has eluded me this entire time, and that is for a vehicle in my care to reach its original 100,000 miles. Now, as many of you know, I am not the original owner of this glamorous 2014 Honda Accord EX 6-speed manual. However, I have religiously been looking after this car for almost 3 years now, and while I have loved over this VTEC 4-cylinder up here, along with all kinds of other mechanical bits underneath, as for the bodywork, leaves a little bit to be desired there. Of course, I could be like anybody else and go down to my local auto parts store and go pick up absolutely everything I need to accomplish what I'm aiming for here. But this is a celebration I'm looking for. I want something that's going to give this car that little extra bit of treatment, something a little bit more special, if you will. So for that reason, I've called on not one, not two, but 3 of my favorite YouTube detailing all-stars to help me out a little bit. And boy, am I ever excited for this one. So get ready, because the Driveway Reviews and Carcatex Auto Detail are proud to present the cleanup and correction of my 11-year-old daily workhorse. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so welcome to part 1 of the cleanup and restoration of my faithful daily driver. And of course, the beginning of any detail starts with a good wash, which is exactly what we're going to be focusing on today. Now, I love washing this car. It's very therapeutic for me as a way to get away from the stresses of my daily working life. But as much as it might be therapeutic for someone like me, for others, washing a car can be just as fun as any other part of the detail. So for that, I turn to somebody who follows that same philosophy all the way from the United Kingdom. It's the Minister of Mobile Detailing himself, Tino's Car Care.
lead us home. Yeah, lead us.
Well, it feels like it's been an eternity, but it's only been about an hour or so, and the Accord is already looking so much better. The wheels have that beautiful silver sparkle to them, and this modern steel metallic paint, that fleck just jumps right out at you so much more. But as you can guess, this is a 3-part series, so there's a lot more to come on this car, and I know there's a question that you guys have been just itching to ask me already. Did Tino Car Care reach out to me, this average Joe of a guy who lives here in South Texas that doesn't really do a whole lot in the major detailing community, to use his products and or be paid in some kind of partnership? And the answer to that is no. I paid for his products with my own money and had them shipped halfway across the globe. But anyways, guys, if you have enjoyed seeing what we're doing to this car so far and you want to stick around for parts 2 and 3, definitely give this video a thumbs up, and also while you're at it, hit the subscribe button down below, because trust me, things like this just really are like a dream come true. I've wanted to get more serious about my detailing game, and now I finally am starting to get down that road. But in any event, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care, everybody, and stay safe.